Andrew Tate got in trouble because he said he doesn't believe in depression. Well, there's people out there that'll fight and say there's definitely clinical depression and yada, yada, yada. Yeah. And he said, dude, get a six pack and tell me if you're still depressed. And sure enough, the dude that went and got a six pack, and guess what? His frequency changed, man. He changed. Okay. And you change that. And guess what? He was no longer depressed. He was no longer in that mindset. And it was bull. And it was a choice.
Depression is 100% real, but you can manage it in the beginning, okay? It starts from something really small, an issue that you can't stop thinking about. And you think about it so many times that it affects other aspects of your life. And the compound effect is it starts working on the negative side. It doesn't just work on money, bro. It works on the negative side also. And everything gets tangled together, you know what I mean? And you get to a point that there are so many issues on top of each other, you don't know where to start. And if somebody like me takes initiative, take a step back, say, hey, this didn't happen overnight, man. Where do we start? How do I fix this? It takes so much willpower. And the person who fixed their depression had to untangle so many issues, process so many thoughts, man. I didn't lose the weight, but I fixed it with work.